Hello everyone, this is unboxing of the Dayton Audio 70 watt subwoofer and plate amplifier SA70 by DaytonAudio.com. Okay, this is the box. Designed, engineered in USA but made in China. Okay, for those of you who are buying from the States and sending back to your own country, here are the dimensions. That's about 27.5 cm or 10 3/4 inches, and this is about 27 cm, and the height is 19 cm. And now the weight. Okay, this whole box weighs about 3 kilogram, 3005 grams, 3 kilogram almost. For the unboxing, here's the user manual. 70 watt subwoofer plate amplifier SA70. Nothing else in the box. So this wrap in styrofoam. Let's remove the adhesive tape. So you can see here, you have the plate amp, attached cord cable rated at 120 volt AC. So for those of you using 240 volt or 220, you have to have a transformer or inverter. These are the extra pieces of screwdriver, no, not screwdriver, screws. So this is the SA70. So let's see the inside. There we go, SA70, low level input, your gain, auto off on power, the frequency setting from 40 Hz to 180 Hz. These are all the connection from amplifier. These are connection to speakers. Okay. And that's it. Okay, we want to know the dimensions of this. This itself is about 190 cm. This is 200. It's 22 cm. This 22 cm. Sorry. Then this is 19 cm. And this depth is about 9 cm. Okay. And the weight of this is, without the box, 2519 gram, or about 2.5 kilogram. Okay.